Welcome to our video on how to start making money on the Gumroad platform. We will be walking you through the process of setting up your Gumroad account, creating your product, setting your pricing, customizing your product page, and promoting your product to reach your target audience. Gumroad is an e-commerce platform that allows creators to sell their digital products directly to their audience. Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or designer, Gumroad makes it easy for you to monetize your work and reach a global audience. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Gumroad account. The first step in making money on Gumroad is to create an account. To do this, go to gumroad.com and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to fill out a form with your basic information, including your name, email, and password. Once you've completed the form, click Sign Up, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. It's important to note that you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account, which can save you time and effort. Also, you will be asked to provide your bank account information for Gumroad to pay you for the sales of your products. Make sure to have this information handy during the sign-up process. Step 2. Create your product. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to create your product. Gumroad supports a wide range of digital products including ebooks, music, videos, software, and more. You can even sell physical products like t-shirts and stickers. When creating your product, make sure to keep your target audience in mind. Consider what type of product they would be interested in purchasing and what problems it solves for them. The more specific and targeted your product is, the more likely it will sell. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you could create a product such as a bundle of pre-designed logos for small businesses. Before you create your product, make sure that the file format of your product is compatible with Gumroad. Also, have the appropriate software to create and export the product. Here are some general ideas on what type of product you could create. Digital art and design assets, such as Photoshop brushes, vectors, and icons. Ebooks, guides, and tutorials on a specific topic or skill. Online courses and video tutorials on a variety of subjects. Music and sound effects for video and game production. Plugins and scripts for popular software like Photoshop, After Effects, and Unity. Stock photography and video footage. Customized and pre-made website templates and themes. 3D models and assets for animation and game development. Productivity tools such as templates and worksheets. Self-care products such as guided meditations, journal prompts, and other tools to help people relax and manage stress. Step 3. Set your pricing. Once you have your product ready, it's time to set your pricing. You can choose to sell your product at a fixed price or offer it as a pay what you want. You can also choose to offer discounts and create bundles to increase sales. When setting your price, it's important to consider the value of your product and what your target audience is willing to pay for it. Research your competition and see what similar products are being sold for. You don't want to price your product too high, as it may deter potential buyers, but you also don't want to price it too low, as it may not be worth your time and effort. It's also worth noting that Gumroad charges a fee on each sale. This fee was once 5% plus 25 cents for sales below $10, and 3.5% plus 25 cents for sales above $10. But now, it's a flat 10% fee for all products. So, when setting your pricing, make sure to take this fee into consideration. Step 4. Customize your product page. Next, you'll want to customize your product page to make it look professional and appealing to potential buyers. You can add a product description, images, and videos to showcase your product. You can also choose a theme for your product page that best matches your brand. When customizing your product page, make sure to include high-quality images and videos that accurately represent your product. You can also include a detailed product description that highlights the features and benefits of your product. This will help to build trust and credibility with potential buyers. Additionally, make sure to include clear instructions on how to access and use the product. In the product page, you can also enable features such as demos, free samples, and allow customers to leave reviews. These features will help you to increase the perceived value of your product and build trust with potential buyers. Now, step 5, promote your product. Finally, you'll want to promote your product to reach potential buyers. You can share your product link on social media, embed it on your website or blog, or even create a landing page to drive traffic to your product. When promoting your product, it's important to identify your target audience and where they spend their time online. For example, if your target audience is photographers, you may want to promote your product on forums and Facebook groups related to photography. You can also leverage email marketing campaigns, influencer marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Use social media platforms such as Instagram and Twitter to promote your product by creating visually appealing images and videos. If you do not already have a social media following, you could opt to use paid traffic via ads on Google, Facebook, or TikTok. As long as the cost of ads does not exceed the amount you earn from selling your digital product, you will be profitable. That's it. With Gumroad, you can easily monetize your digital products and reach a global audience. Remember to make sure to have a great product, set a fair price, and promote it effectively. Sign up for a Gumroad account today and start selling your work. Thanks for watching.